You should never ignore these 14 warning signs from your body. We all get little aches and pains from time to time, but most of us tend to push through it and just take some painkillers for the discomfort. Sometimes our bodies can send signals that something is wrong with it. But if we pay no attention to what our body is telling us, this could turn into a much bigger problem down the road. So it's important to listen to our bodies. Many people have learned this lesson the hard way by ignoring the warning signs their body was giving them. That's why today, I want to share with you the 14 warning signs from your body that you should never ignore. And don't forget to stay till the end because the last one may shock you. No. 1. Severe headaches. If you get a headache that is so bad that you throw up, have a stiff neck, fever, confusion, or double vision, then seek medical help immediately. This could be a sign of something serious like an aneurysm, an arteriovenous malformation, brain tumor, or an infection in the brain or sinuses. No. 2. Tearing pain in your chest. A study published in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology showed that many people who had a heart attack initially experienced a tearing pain in their chest. This pain usually radiates to your left shoulder or arm. Don't ignore this warning sign. It could mean that you're having a heart attack. Other symptoms to look out for include shortness of breath, cold sweats, and lightheadedness. No. 3. Extreme fatigue. When your body is feeling fatigued, it's trying to tell you that it needs rest. Ignoring this sign and continuing to exert yourself could lead to exhaustion and burnout. So make sure to take a break and recharge your batteries every once in a while. If the fatigue persists, however, it could be a sign of something more serious, like anemia, hypothyroidism, or depression. Number 4. Swollen legs and ankles. Swollen legs and ankles can be caused by a number of factors, such as standing up for long periods of time or not getting enough exercise. However, if you notice that your legs and ankles are swollen, and you've ruled out all other possibilities, then it could be a sign that you're suffering from congestive heart failure. No. 5. Changes in urination. It's normal to urinate between 6 to 7 times per day. Anything less than that could be a sign that you're dehydrated or not drinking enough fluids. But going to the bathroom more often can also be a warning sign. If you find yourself having to go to the bathroom more often than usual, especially when you're trying to hold it, you may be suffering from an enlarged prostate or overactive bladder. In women, frequent urination can be a sign of a urinary tract infection. No. 6. Excessive belching and bloating. Most people experience bloating and belching from time to time, which is usually caused by eating too quickly or not chewing your food properly. However, if you suffer from excessive belching and bloating, then it could be a sign of a more serious problem. This can include gas, intestinal parasites, constipation, food intolerance, ulcers, or even cancer. Number 7. Sudden, unexplained weight loss. Losing a few pounds can be a good thing. But losing weight without even trying can be a warning sign of something more sinister. This can be a sign of a hormonal imbalance, hyperthyroidism, diabetes, or even cancer. Number 8. High blood pressure. High blood pressure is known as the silent killer because it often shows no symptoms. This means that you need to check your blood pressure regularly, especially if you have risk factors for high blood pressure such as diabetes, a family history of high blood pressure, or if you smoke or drink alcohol in excess. Number 9. Numbness or tingling in your hands and feet. If you suffer from numbness or tingling in your hands and feet, then it could be a sign that you're suffering from nerve damage. This can be caused by a number of things, including diabetes, alcoholism, injuries, exposure to toxins, and multiple sclerosis. Number 10. Loud growling stomach. If you feel like your stomach is making loud noises, it could be because you have uneaten in a while, and it's growling because it is empty. But if you've just eaten and your stomach is still making noises, then it could be a sign of a more serious problem. This can include irritable bowel syndrome, gastritis, acid reflux disease, or even an ulcer. Number 11. Cold feet. Do you often feel cold, especially in your feet? Well, this could be a sign that you're suffering from poor circulation. This can be caused by a number of things, including smoking, diabetes, and peripheral artery disease. Number 12. Blurred vision. Blurred vision can be caused by a number of things, such as not getting enough sleep or not wearing your glasses or contact lenses correctly. But it can also be a sign of something more serious, such as diabetes, high blood pressure, or even a brain tumor. Number 13. Changes in sex drive. If you're suffering from a low sex drive, It's important to see a doctor to rule out any underlying medical conditions. A low sex drive can be caused by a number of things, including stress, anxiety, and depression. But it can also be a sign of low testosterone, high prolactin levels, or even erectile dysfunction. Number 14. Swelling in your abdomen. Swelling in your abdomen can be caused by a number of things, such as eating too much salt or not getting enough exercise. But it can also be a sign of something more serious, such as liver disease, kidney disease, or even cancer. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Remember, it's important to pay attention to the warning signs your body is giving you. If you notice anything unusual, don't hesitate to see a doctor. It could save your life. So please like and share this video with friends and family so they can benefit too. So also let us know in the comments below which point you found the most valuable. And don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness videos. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy.